Columbia City leaders are discussing long-term recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic.
A new report highlights the impacts of the virus in Boone County 5 months after the first case was reported here. ABC 17's Sydney Olson is live at City Hall. And City, the virus has affected several areas like workforce, education, and childcare.
Deb Lucas, the City Council just heard that report, which talks about how the virus impacted those areas and is now asking questions to Randy Cole from Housing and Urban Development here in Columbia. And Columbia Mayor Brian Treese tells me that this will give the council a first look into the impacts of COVID-19 and help them decide how to shape policy down the road. The workforce in Boone County has seen major impacts from the pandemic. Unemployment in the county reached 6.6% in May. Retail, hospitality, and restaurants have been largely impacted. JobPoint in Columbia helps train people and place them in jobs. The president and CEO of JobPoint, Steve Smith, helped write the report and says training and education will be a key way to get people back to work.
I'm convinced that everyone that lost a job, well, not all those jobs won't be there for those people, in my opinion.
He said city leaders have the power of the purse with the ability to allocate money from the budget, but also the power to shape policy.
I think it's as simple as saying that we won't be able to just keep on doing what we've always done.
There's currently around $25 million in federal and state funds, but $21 million are waiting to be distributed by the county. Tree says the long-term recovery plan is not a blueprint, but will help leaders like the city council to discuss how they can help those impacted by the virus, like minimum wage and tipped workers.
As we begin to have these conversations, we need to look at, those small businesses and retailers that have been impacted either because of lack of consumer confidence in going out safely to resume their normal activity, as well as maybe some of those essential workers that, have not been able to perform their jobs.
The report also outlines that training for people trying to get back into the workforce is an important way to work toward recovery. Reporting live in Columbia, Sydney Olson, ABC 17 News.
And you can find that full report on our website at abc17news.com.